The accordion module is great for displaying lots of information in a neat way on pages and on posts. So the way that it works is you can have a question or a title of a topic and then some text underneath it. And then when the next question is actually contained within a folded up box. So when you press the plus, it will show you the information in the box below. So the way to add an accordion module is to press plus here on module and click on accordion. Now by default it comes in with the colours that are that we've selected for your website, and you can modify those colours by choosing the eyedropper beside the colours, and then you can choose the open toggle and the close toggle colour. So that's just a quick note on that. So you can change the colour of that toggle to your default colours, or choose with the eyedropper as you please. So you can maneuver this around until you find a colour that suits you. So that's how you modify the colours, just in case you don't like the default that has been set up for your website. Generally speaking, people are okay with the defaults anyway, but to undo that, we press little undo, and then you can, to go through the content, so you go back to the content tab here, and you can add in your preferred content. So as you can see, these need to be clicked into to edit them. And we can add multiple ones by duplicating then. So I'm going to edit this one. So you click on the little gear icon, or you can click around it, and then add the title. So this is a frequently asked question. Okay, and then you can, so then from there you can type in the answer to your FAQ, or type in whatever it is as that you want hidden under the fold of this. You can also add images and links and bullet points and all that stuff through this word editor here. So if you highlight text, you can make it bold, you can italicize it, you can make it a bullet point, you can make it a number, you can add a link to it, make it all linked to something. So it's very dynamically set up. You can make it a quote. So that's all the usual stuff that you can do, or you can cross it out. And then you can even have the whole module link to something, if you want to set this up to be your different products. So you can have the product name and a list of information about it, and then when the person clicks it, it goes through to a purchase link or something like that, or a service booking link. So there's lots that you can do with the accordion module. It's great for kind of hiding information, but keeping it on your page for Google to see. It's worthwhile only using this though if it's information that people might not need, because sometimes people don't realize that that is there. So yeah, it's just important that you don't put something that's really vital in here, because people might not click to expand these accordions. So that's just one point to note. So then when you're done with your first one, you can either create a new one, and now we've got three columns high, or you can duplicate modules as well. So that's just a quick way to add the accordion module, and then your visitors can browse through all your questions or whatever you're writing about, products or whatever. And if you want to make it a little bit smaller, you can do so by creating a new row. So we go here to new row, and we add our row, and you can make it like 50-50 and add in your accordion module. And as you can see, it styles it a little bit different. It brings it in a bit, and it adjusts the sizing to fit into that module. So if I make this 3, now that's probably the smallest I'd go would be 2, but if you're doing like short product introductions, this 3 columns can be nice as well. So like you can see there that you have your accordion showing, and if we delete the second one, it's just an interesting way of displaying a product description. So yeah, so that's how you can add an accordion module, and it can be used in a variety of ways on your website.